Welcome back. If you don't have the Microsoft apps on your mobile device, you can add them by going to your respective app store. You are now looking at an iOS device. However, the process is going to be the same if you use an Android device. What we're going to do is to go to the App Store. You're going to look for the Microsoft 365 mobile device, and you're going to install it on your mobile device. Now, for the sake of this video, this application has already been installed on the mobile device that's on your screen. Now, inside of the iOS App Store, you're going to see the View command. We're going to click View. And you're going to see here that we're going to need to get the mobile application. We're going to click Get on this mobile application. We are now going to open the Microsoft 365 application. We're now going to click Get Started. We're going to click on Next here in this area. We are going to read through the terms of service about your data and then click Accept. We will then read through the privacy settings and then click OK. We're going to choose whether we're going to be notified. In this case, for the sake of this video, we're going to choose No. And this is the opportunity. If you want to make a purchase, you can. We're going to skip the purchase as of this video, and we're going to try the trial later. Now, depending on when you see this video, you're going to see that Microsoft will tell you that the Office app is becoming the Microsoft 365 application. We're now going to sign into our account. And your Microsoft 365 account is ready to be used on your mobile device. If you have other Microsoft applications available on your mobile device, you will be able to see them in the appropriate menus. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.